First we lay down the body, looking at the good side. Then we place the facing on top of it. We pin only the neckline and sew. We cut close to the sewing line and now do some little cuts throughout the neckline for a better fit. When you do this, make sure that you cut here and not here. We open, we fold, we go all the way here and we meet there. Now the two sides are met and all the other fabric is inside. I'm gonna pin carefully and sew very carefully, making sure that I only connect these two pieces and not any of the fabric inside. Again. To sew the other side, again we fold, we put the fabric inside and we will pin this. We're gonna sew this, making sure that we don't sew any of the fabric inside. Again.